Transformers are powerful, but attention costs grow with the square of the sequence length, so long context gets expensive fast. Mamba fixed that with state space models, linear time, fast at inference. But Mamba's training was slow. Mamba-2 solves this with a clean idea called state space duality. In this video, the problem, what duality means, how a Mamba-2 layer works, its architecture, how it compares, the numbers, and when to reach for it. Start with attention. Attention compares every token to every other token, so cost scales with the square of the sequence length. Double the context, and you roughly quadruple the work. The original Mamba replaced attention with a state space model that runs in linear time and is wonderfully fast at inference. But its core selective-scan ran as a custom sequential operation, not the matrix multiplies that GPUs love, so training left a lot of hardware speed on the table. So what is state space duality? It is the key insight behind Mamba-2, a special case of a state space model, one whose state transition matrix is just a scalar times the identity, turns out to be mathematically equivalent to a form of masked attention. In other words, the same computation can be written two ways, as a linear time recurrence or as a quadratic-time matrix multiply. Two lenses, one model. Here is how a Mamba-2 layer processes a sequence. One shared projection produces the input along with the state space parameters A, B, and C all at once, much like generating queries, keys, and values together. The sequence then flows through a selective state that carries memory forward, gated by the input. A normalization step stabilizes it, and an output projection returns the result. Fast to train, cheap to run. The architecture change is what unlocks the speed. In Mamba-1, the parameters were produced sequentially before the scan. Mamba-2 produces them in parallel, in a single projection, so the block has fewer synchronization points and maps cleanly onto tensor and sequence parallelism. It also adds a multi-head structure and an extra normalization layer, making the design look and scale much more like a transformer block. How does Mamba-2 compare to Mamba-1? Same linear time inference and constant memory, but the training story flips. Mamba-1 scan was hard to parallelize. Mamba-2 duality lets training run as big matrix multiplies that saturate the GPU. That also lets Mamba-2 use a far larger internal state, which sharply improves recall on hard associative tasks where Mamba-1 struggled. The duality gives you two equivalent modes for the exact same layer. The linear mode is a recurrence. It processes one step at a time with constant memory, which is ideal for generation and long context. The quadratic mode forms a structured attention-like matrix and runs as dense matrix multiplies, which is ideal for training. You pick the mode that fits the job, the math guarantees the same result. And here is the headline. Mamba-2 SSD algorithm is roughly 2 to 8 times faster than Mamba-1 selective scan, while remaining competitive with, or better than, a strong transformer of the same size on language modeling. So you keep linear time, constant memory inference, but you finally train at matrix multiply speed. That combination is the whole point. Two efficiency wins deserve a call-out. First, state size. The fast algorithm lets Mamba-2 grow its internal state from around 16 in Mamba-1 to 64, 128, or more, which is why recall improves. Second, systems. The parallel projection halves the synchronization points per block, so Mamba-2 trains well across many GPUs with tensor and sequence parallelism. Where does this shine? Anywhere long sequences and cheap inference matter. Think very long documents and codebases, streaming and real-time generation where constant memory per step helps, and genomics or audio with hundreds of thousands of tokens. It also anchors hybrid models that interleave a few attention layers with many Mamba-2 layers for the best of both worlds. In code, it is a drop-in block. Install the Mamba SSM package, import the Mamba-2 layer, set the model dimension and the larger state dimension, and run your batch of token embeddings straight through it. The output has the same shape as the input, so you can stack these blocks, or mix them with attention layers, just like any other sequence layer. When should you reach for Mamba-2, and when not? Reach for it when you need long context, low latency, and constant memory per token, or when attention is your bottleneck. Think twice when your sequences are short and the mature transformer tooling and ecosystem matter more, or when you need the exact global token-to-token attention that some tasks still depend on. Many teams simply hybridize. Quick recap. Attention is quadratic. Mamba made inference linear but trained slowly. Mamba-2 state space duality shows a state space model and masked attention are two views of one computation, so you train in fast quadratic matrix mode and infer in cheap linear mode. The result? 2 to 8 times faster training, a much larger state, and transformer level quality. Save this and follow for more clear AI explainers. That is Mamba-2 and state space duality. One model, two lenses, linear when you generate and quadratic when you train. If this made the idea click, follow for plain English Gen AI breakdowns, and save it for the next time long context gets expensive.